Hey guys, story time. Did you guys know that some of the fear we have or dislike in our life is not even started from ours? So research into the epigenetics and life experience such as stress and fear, trauma can influence our DNAs. So every bad emotion or event can create some kind of chemical and that can bleach into our DNA. And that can be passed down to future generation. This could mean if you're afraid of water and you don't have any trauma with the water and you don't know why, then that trauma might be came from your great-great-great-grandma. Astrology also talks about it. Inherited patterns through Taurus and Scorpio and Pisces. Also, we talk about fourth house or the moon placement, and we check up a few different asteroids as well. So combining all of them talks about the emotional tie from our ancestry or memories, the unseen connection to how our body shapes as well. In my own life, I've seen how family pattern shows up. And I don't really like a chicken that much. I guess when I was young, I didn't really care about it. But growing up, getting older, I realized that I do not like a chicken at all. And also, only later I found out that my dad doesn't like chicken either. And the reason why I didn't know he doesn't eat chicken at all actually because growing up, my mom and my dad had a deal to hide his selective eating habits because they were so afraid if I developed the habit. Because a selective eating habit is such a bad thing in Korea when I was growing up, so they really wanted to prevent that. So he never really showed me the opinion of chicken or how he doesn't like a chicken. He never actually mentioned about it. So not knowing about his story, and I somehow copied his pattern. And my mom explained to me that when he was young, his mean stepmom literally butchered the chicken brutally in front of him, and that kind of left him fear or trauma so that he couldn't eat chicken anymore. And then my mom was surprising that we did our best to hide his selective eating habit, but somehow you eventually follow his path. You just don't like the chicken. How funny is that? Haha. So story like this is really remind me about the families are not just tied by blood, but also emotional